Hello students, how are you? Hope all of you are safe and healthy at your homes. Students, I am your maths teacher Mrs. Monica Sharma from California Public School. Today, I heartily welcome you in my maths class. Students, today we will do exercise 2.10. Yes, so take your books and notebooks with you and here we start. Yes friends, see what is the first statement. Estimate the difference by rounding of the numbers to the nearest thousand and complete the table. Here in the question you can see this statement is given to us and here is a symbol of subtraction, so we have to do minus. Then round off the numbers. This first number and this second number, we will round off these numbers to the nearest thousand as written in the statement. After that we will find out the estimated difference, then we will find out actual difference. See how we will do this sum. Yes, the statement is 86,262 minus 62,562. Yes, firstly we will find out actual difference. Actual difference means we will write the statement as it is given. Ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000. Yes, we will write the digits according to the places. Here we will start doing subtraction. 2 minus 2, 0. 6 minus 6, 0. 2 minus 5 is not possible, so we will take one borrow from here and here it will become 12. 12 minus 5, it will be 7. Here we have already taken one borrow, so here left 5. 5 minus 2, 3. Here 8 minus 6, 2. So we got 23,700. This is the actual difference. After that we have to find out estimated difference. For finding out the estimated difference, we will firstly estimate the numbers to the nearest thousand. See how we will estimate. 86,262. Firstly we will write the places. For estimating to the nearest thousand, we will observe the digit of 100 place. Yes, ones digit will become 0, tens place digit will become 0, 100 place digit will become 0, 1000 place digit it will not be changed. Why? Because 100 place digit is less than 5, so it will remain 6 only. Here 8 will remain 8, so we got 86,000. Yes, and the second number was 62,562. we will estimate this also. Yes, we will observe the digit of 100 place. Yes, ones place is 0, tens place is 0, 100 place will become 0, 1000 place digit will become next digit because 100 place digit is 5. So this 2 will become 3 and it will remain as it is. So we got here 63,000. Now these are the estimated numbers and we will find out the estimated difference with the help of these numbers. Yes, we will write like this. 86,000, this is the bigger number. We will write it firstly. Minus, that is the smaller, that is 63,000. And after doing subtraction, we got 23,000. This is the estimated difference. Yes, friends, now I have solved part A, B, C and D parts. These you will solve by yourself. In the same way, you will solve these parts. Yes, now let's move to the sum number 2. Here is round of the numbers to the nearest 10,000. Here we have to round the numbers to the nearest 10,000 and draw arrows to the join the difference to the estimated difference. This we will do afterwards. Firstly, we will find out the difference after changing the numbers to the nearest 10,000. See how we will do. First part I am going to do 3,56,412 minus 1,11,329. We will find out the estimated difference and estimation must be nearest 10,000. See how we will do. Yes, we will write the digits according to the places. For estimating to the nearest 10,000, we will observe the digit of 1000 place. Ones place will become 0, tens place will become 0, 100 place will become 0, 1000 place will also become 0 and 10,000 place digit it will become next. Why? Because 1000 place digit is more than 5. So it will become 6 and 3 will be written as it is. Yes, now the second number is 1,11,329. See how it will be rounded off. Yes. Ones place digit will become 0, tens place digit will become 0, 100 place digit will become 0, 1000 place digit will also become 0 and 10,000 digit it will not change. Why? Because 1000 place digit is less than 5, so it will be written 1 as it is and lakh place 1 will also be written as it is. Now we got 3,60,000 here and 1,10,000 here. Now estimated difference, we will firstly write 3,60,000 minus 1,10,000. After doing subtraction, we will get 2,50,000. Yes. Now here what to do next? Here it is written, draw arrows to join the difference to the estimated difference. Here on the both side of the box you can see what is written, estimate more than 1 lakh. Here is estimate less than 1 lakh. Yes. Now here after doing subtraction we got 2,50,000 and we will join here more than 1 lakh. Yes, we will join this with this box. Firstly we found the difference, it is 2,50,000 and 2,50,000 is more than 1 lakh. So we draw this arrow and join these both. Yes, if it will be less than 1 lakh then we should draw arrow and join these both. Now in this case it is more than 1 lakh, so we have joined like this. Yes, first part I have done, other three parts you will do by yourself. Yes. Now see sum number 3. Yes, this sum you will do by yourself. Just listen and understand the statement carefully, that how to do this sum. If 3,45,879 people travel in a metro and 4,69,532 people travel by bus. Yes, these many people travel in metro and these many people travel by bus. How many more people travel by the bus? Here you can see more people travel by the bus and we have to find out how many more people travel by the bus. So here we will do the subtraction of these two numbers, and while doing subtraction, bigger number minus smaller number. Yes, verify your answer by rounding off to the nearest 10,000. Here firstly we have to find out the actual difference and then we have to find out the estimated difference by rounding the numbers to the nearest 10,000. Firstly we will do subtraction. This number, this is bigger, 4,69,532 minus 3,45,879. When we will do subtraction with these numbers, it will be actual difference, and when we will round off these numbers to the nearest 10,000 and after that we will do subtraction, that will be the estimated difference. Yes, in this way we will do this sum. Here we will find out actual difference and estimated difference. Yes students, hope you have understood these sums. Do the sums of this exercise in your notebook. Hope for your best. Have a beautiful day ahead. Thank you so much.